When I click on the menu, my drop-down menu appears obviously, but I also have a button. Now, this is not an off-canvas menu. This is all the same WordPress menu. And this is an item that I have styled out, and I'm going to show you how to do that really quick and easy. This is the menu I was using. I've got my core pages, I've got a drop down, but down here, I've got a call us button. This is a custom link that I've added. And if I expand on it, I've got a URL, obviously, because I want you to click it and hopefully make a call. You could even send this to an email or another page. I've got a navigation level, but I've given this a class name, Mobile Call BTN. Now, if you're not familiar with this field, don't worry. All you got to do is go to the top where you have screen options and enable CSS classes. That has always been there, or for as long as I can remember, but a lot of people do overlook it. And when you activate that or say, show it to me, all of your items now will have that facility there. But we're only going to style out this particular custom link. But if you wanted to give a different color to any of your menu items, go and give it a class name and then stick the CSS in your theme customizer or your site settings. Anyway, back to this. We've got Mobile Call BTN. If I then go to site settings and my custom CSS, here's the code I'm using. So what I've said is, by default, I don't want this to be visible because that button is not needed on the desktop. Because on the desktop, I'm showing a different button next door to my WordPress menu. But on the mobile, when you hit the drop-down button, because I didn't want to use an off-canvas, I want it to be within there. So I'm not actually adding in another container or a div or anything like that. So from default, do not show it. But when your max width is 767, so basically everything below 767, now I want you to show it. And I don't just want you to show it, I want you to style it out as well. So I want this particular background color, padding, border radii, what is the color of my text? Do I want there to be any changes when you hover? I've said no, but I've still stuck it in there so it's easy for you to modify. And that, my friends, is basically it. If I was to get rid of the styling, can you now see the button? That is how it would appear. It's just part of the menu. But when I pop the code back in, it has now moved away. By the way, I said padding, I meant to say margin because I've adjusted it. So if you want to have other items in your WordPress menu and they are a button, go and add the link in, do all of that inside of the WordPress menu. Make it look how you want it to look. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. Code for this will either be in the video description or the first pinned comment. Like, subscribe, share, and follow. You have to sign up for our YouTube channel for exclusive videos. Take care. See you soon. Bye.